Hello again, welcome. My name is Ian Butterworth and I'm an erotic vocal Foley artist. My job is to reproduce sound in the adult film industry, and I've done so for the last 54 years. Foley trivia of the day: in historic epic Spartacus, the marching sound of the vast Roman army was achieved by jangling some keys. I've let you in on that one. Let's see what we have today. The fabled queef. It's Ladies' Day at Ascot. Better out than in. Graham, are we ready? All right, let's go for one. I'm missing something. Give me one more. That was the one. And there it is. The magic of film. See you next time.